Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching Upstream Charlie. In today's episode, check po natin ang Huawei Nova 15 Max. So, kaka-release lang po ito. Ayan po yung colors na available niya. And this one also, light color. So, we'll be discussing yung kanyang specs, features, and of course, ang kanyang prices. No? So, what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out the Huawei Nova 15 Max. Brand new phone from Huawei. You could buy this here at SM North EDSA sa concept store ng Huawei. So, let's go and see the product. Hi guys, this is Upstream Charlie and let's check out yung bagong phone nila ng Huawei, yung Nova 15 Max. Of course, it's new. Max your fun. So, ito yung basic specs niya. 8,500 mAh super battery, long lasting, day into night. Extra durable body, SGS 5-star drop resistance. May 6.84-inch Vivid OLED screen. Stunning stereo dual speakers. 50MP RYYB ultra clear camera. Clarity even in low light, comes in the three colors, no? Meron parang light pink na, and then bluish and then gray, no? So ang SRP niya po ito pala yung colors niya, blush gold yon, tapos lake cyan yan na bluish, at saka golden black yon. So meron siyang installment available up to 24 months. Ang discounted po siya na dati po siyang 20,888. Ngayon po may 1,000 discount, 19,888, no? May 2-year complimentary battery replacement service na worth 2,999, no? So let's check out yung specs nito. So ito yung ano niya, no, yung phones niya, no? So ito sa kaliwa ko yung blush gold na color. Yan po yung blush gold. Tapos yung pangalawa naman yung lake cyan. Yan, lake cyan. Tapos of course yung yung golden black. Yan po yung tsura. So ito yung mga cameras niya. Yan. AI camera. Yan. So wala na siyang provision for 3.mm jack. May speaker sa baba, SD card sa baba, tapos speaker sa taas and microphone. So ito po yung power at saka volume niya. So let's check out yung yung specification ng Huawei Nova 15 Max. So yun, dati po siyang 20,888, may 256 na storage siya. Tapos yung camera niya, may 50 megapixel ultra sensing camera with f1.9 aperture, may 2 megapixel na ultra lighting camera. Lighting camera. Yun, 2 megapixel. Ang front naman niya, ito yung front ng camera niya. Meron siyang 8 megapixel camera. Tapos 8,500 mAh battery with 4 watt Huawei supercharge. No? And IP65 na po yung niya for water and dust resistance. No? Ang weight niya around 232 grams. Yan. So, yan po yun. 8,000 50 megapixel na camera. Tapos, extra durable battery. Ito po yung sample na speakers niya. 85 decibels, no? So, okay siya na speaker, no? With 6.84 Vivid OLED screen. So, 120 Hz, no? Refresh rate. 4,000 nits. Tapos durable, no? May SGS certification siya, may drop resistance rating. Yeah. Of course may AI inside. Yeah. So yan, so check na lang natin ulit yung physical appearance niya. Yan po yung Nova 15 Max ng Huawei. Yeah. So yan yung gray, ito yung cyan lake cyan. Yan. Ayan po itsura niya. Yan. For further specification, check nyo lang yung description box below. So this is a special video about Huawei Nova 15 Max. Nandito po tayo sa SM North EDSA sa concept store ng Huawei. At ito namang hawak ko yung blush gold. Yan, blush gold. So yan po yung cameras niya, no? 50 megapixel po yan. Yan. So kung interesado po kayo ng ganito, no, available po dito yan sa SM North EDSA, no, sa concept store ng Huawei. Now, sa tabi naman niya, no, gawa naman tayong extra since nanonood na naman kayo. So tingnan natin tong nice watch nila, yung Watch Fit 5, no. Ano rin siya, no, brand new, no, slim and light, comprehensive and accurate health management, 100 plus na sports mode with mini workout, up to 10 days battery life. Comes in 4 colors na. Purple, black, white, at saka silver. Ayan. So ang yung purple, black, white, ang SRP niya 7,999. Tapos dati siyang 899, may discount na 1,000. At yung silver naman, kung gusto nyo, medyo may price siya, 8,499. Dating 9,499 with 1 year free warranty, worth 1,399. No? So I guess available din to sa installment na 12 months. No? So check out natin yung unit. Ito po yun, cute. So yan po yun. Check natin kung anong makikita dito. Yung activity records. Tapos yan, BP mo, heart rate, schedule mo. Pwede ka pa mag-call, no? Tapos pwede ka pa makakinig ng music. Kasi yan po yung mga different types of sports na kaya mong pwede nyo i-engage, no? Pag pinindot natin yung walking, ayan, so ayan yung walking, may po rin siya, no? Meron rin siyang location tracker ng GPS mo para ma-track ka niya mabuti. Ito naman for running, yan. Ito naman for swimming. So I guess pwede mo siyang dalhin sa tubig at the same time. Okay. So basically yan yung magagamit nyo na mga features dito sa Watch Fit 5, no? Ganda-ganda niya. So again, yung SRP niya 7,999 at saka 8,499. So mabibili niyo po yan sa sa SM North EDSA, no? Punta lang kayo dito and ask for yung mga features, updates, and product demo. Yan. So yan po yung Huawei Nova 15 Max at saka Huawei Watch Fit na smartwatch. So, yan. So again, this is Charlie Jose. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Okay. And thank you sa management ng Huawei dito sa SM North EDSA for allowing me to record this video.